a situation where my son's home is being raided for things that I don't understand. So I asked myself, what does this government want? Because if it wants me, the fact that I've been silent doesn't mean I'm scared. Come for me. Why do what does my mother have to do with anything? What does my children have to do with anything? Kama shida yenu ni mimi, I'm here. Right? Yeah. They know where I am 24/7. Right? Why all this? Intimidate a 90-year-old woman. Intimidate children. Right? If it is me you want, what? Come and tell us what you want. Yeah.
Mr. President, they have been claiming that you are behind the Azimio la Umoja protest and you're funding the protest. Perhaps, how do you reply to these statements?
You tell me, right? And I have said it severally. And that's why I keep saying, maybe silence sometimes is not right. Yeah. But I have ignored it because I have asked myself, how? Yeah. What does the issues that Kenyans are talking about have nothing to do with me? All right. Have you seen me in any of those events? Have you seen me talk about any of those events? Yeah. Now, if you say because of my association with Raila, am I not supposed to talk to my friends? Is that a crime in Kenya today? Yeah. Is that a crime? Maybe you should tell me if it's a crime. Maybe you should say, oh, it is a crime to associate with this individual, with this. I thought the only crime was to associate with terrorists. So are you telling me that they are terrorists? Then, because then that would be the only argument you would have, or bank robbers or something, right? Yeah. But I thought we lived in a democracy in Kenya. I believed, yes, and that's why I handed over whatever. I may not have supported this government, yes, but I accepted the will of the people, didn't I? You also